used to think I'm the problem, that I was way too sensitive, reacting way too much, until I realized we were different types, carrying a different triggers, scaring us to death. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside just for a while. Some way we will be fine, safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide. It's perfect, but we are perfect together. Oh, together. No one's perfect, but we are perfect together. Oh, together.
그대가 내게 다가온다면 내게 말해줘.
你眼睛有白晒。
你鼻毛嘟出来我都没有讲你。
What the？
What is Liang Ying's most embarrassing moment?
Liang Ying and I were in the same CCA together and it was dance.
We went to SYF competition.
And we got silver because we believe that Liang Ying actually slipped on one of the moves.
And everybody wondered if he had not fallen, maybe they have gotten gold. Then after that, I think he's very pricey.
What is Xiao Wei's most embarrassing moment? So when we were Sec CE, we did like a skit for Teachers' Day.
Xiao Wei had to act like a really whiny kid.
She speaks in a very cutesy voice. Yes.
I really do wonder.
Okay, next. What made Liang Ying fall in love with Xiao Wei?
I would say she gives in to his.
Oh, ... fill in the blanks.
Yeah, he does like to do the Zainan stuff, like playing a lot of games and all that.
Actually, true, she accommodates, because she
Yeah.
even play games with.
Correct.
顾家咯，好像很会顾家的感觉咯。
他觉得小薇是以后会孝顺他的父母，他很注重他能够两个能够沟通啊。
What made Xiao Wei fall in love with Liang Ying?
Because Liang Ying 摸了他的头。
But she said in general, this action makes her heart flutter.
The minute 他摸他的头，他已经中招了。
对他的眼里好像很英俊这样，
帅哥。
对不对？帅哥。
Xiao Wei thought he's very cute. Maybe it's his dimple lah that made him think that. I think he got dimple, yes.
I remember when we were traveling, and I remember Liang Ying was blow dry her hair for her. I thought that was very sweet as well.
He takes care of Xiao Wei very well lah. And he's a very sincere and caring person. Who do you think is a better kisser? Oh, I don't even think about that. Yeah. I'm so curious. What did the parents say?
他们两个从来没有在我们的面前
你过了，
我们没有看过。
他没有表演给我看嘞，那个表演的才知道。
Hands down, Lim Liang Ying.
I think Liang Ying. Why? He has more experience.
Yeah, my understanding is that he has more than.
Liang Ying, because Liang Ying is the kind who will probably go YouTube to watch how to kiss video and then practice on his pillows. So that's why I think it will be Liang Ying.
Okay, last one. Any well wishes for the happy couple?
Continue to be as they are, with Xiao Wei speaking 10 octaves higher to Liang Ying, and Liang Ying 继续摸她的头啦。
Xiao Wei, remember to give in, okay?
Stay happy, stay blissful. Happy wife, happy life, Liang Ying.
I do wish you all the best. I'm really happy to see that you have gotten yourself a partner that you can settle down.
Continue to have fun and remember to spend time with each other.
I'm glad that you all found each other, and that I'm sure that you all will continue to live a long and happy life together.
I'm sure moving ahead, they can definitely overcome any obstacles. And 早生贵子, please. Our kids needs playmates, yeah.
当然是希望他们两个人自己两个 settle down and then together forever 啦。
健健康康，有商有量，
Yeah.
走到远远了。
连他们两个最好是给我们两个早点
抱孙，
有最少2个啊。新婚快乐啦，百年好合啦！啊，您看我几时可以抱孙了？
就等了。
我要抱，我可以退休抱孙了。